Okay guys, this is what I'm doing. I opened up my beans rice, the broccoli and cheddar, and I'm going to scramble eggs in it, and that's what I'm having for breakfast this morning. You're all calling for my cooking videos and an RD and surviving, and I'm showing you little things that I make. It's nothing special. The rice is already cooked. So what I'm doing is I'm just getting the butter into the rice here so it will help the eggs cook. And I'm trying to get the rice a little warm. And I'll be back when I start adding the eggs. I love you all. Okay guys, you know I do a lot of vegan. Although there's cheese that said it's probably not vegan, but I like to use vegan eggs. So here we go. You just pour it in. Yes, those are vegan. Comes in a carton. And I'm going to grab the salt and pepper, and I'm going to put some of that on it because I forgot to put it in the eggs like I normally do. Be right back. I got my salt and pepper in there. I know salt's not good for you. I know. I didn't shake up the box. I mean the carton. That's why the yellow. I guess it settles in there. And I'm just going to cook this up. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. I woke up and my back feels like it's out. I don't know what I did in the night, but I must have fought the demons off or something. I don't know. Feels like I'm hurting a little bit because I'm having to sit forward a little bit to do this, because I have this propped on my dog's container and a what do you call it, cutting board, because I don't want to melt my dog's container. Her dog food goes in a big old container that can fit like 50 pounds in it. I don't leave my dog's food out where it can get stale, nasty. She won't eat it if it's stale. And I keep my food in the bags in the container. That helps to keep it fresh also. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish this up. Ooh, my back. And no, I'm not going to put any extra cheese in it. I could, but I think the cheddar and the rice is enough. So, but yeah, it probably looks like a mess to a lot of you, but it's still cooking. I'll be right back. And as you can see, it's finally coming together. You could put like spring onions in it if you have them, or you could even put sausage in it, guys, or chicken. Later on tonight, I'm going to eat half of this for breakfast, and later on tonight I'm going to add chicken to it. And I'm going to add some little sausages to it for supper. So there you go, folks. Nothing major or anything like that. RV living, it's really hard when you only have a drop cord. So I only have a drop cord to plug my stuff in, and it's got to be close to the floor, so the cord is so darn short. I wish I would have realized that when I bought it, but the cord is so darn short it's hard to reach the plug even on the floor. So I'll talk to y'all later. I love you all, and I'll see you soon on the panel. Bye guys.